Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be doing my 2-week review of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So I picked this thing up on Amazon about $100 off a week after it launched, and I wasn't originally going to get one anytime soon. It was on sale. They had some deals and stuff like that already after launch. I was able to get it. So I did pick one up, and I've been extremely happy with it. I came from the Fold 4, and a lot of people are, don't upgrade from the Fold 4 to the Fold 5. It's the same phone. All they did was move the flash on the back. And while that may be true for the appearance, there's a couple things that are different, as in the hinge. The hinge on this phone is a lot better. It's a little bit slimmer. Holding the phone in the hand when it's closed feels a lot more secure. With that flat close, it doesn't have that kind of arch over near the hinge, so it's a lot easier to one hand like this, which is very nice. I really like that about it. But under the hood is where it really matters. The Fold 4, for me, did not have the best battery life. It had okay performance, but the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, it had some stutters, some lag here and there, especially with multitasking like you can do on the Fold 4, on the Fold. So the Fold 5 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, battery life is a lot better. Easy all-day phone, no issues. Performance is a lot better. Multitasking, I can run 3 apps at once without an issue, which on the Fold 4, like I said, would bring in a little bit of stutter and lag and stuff like that, opening and closing apps. I did come from an S22 Ultra to an S23 Ultra as well when that came out, and it was the same kind of experience with that, with battery life and with performance. The S23 Ultra was a night and day difference over the S22 with the 8 Gen 1. Battery life, phenomenal, day and a half on the S23 Ultra, whereas the S22 Ultra was pushing just getting a day. So very, very night and day difference between an 8 Gen 1 and an 8 Gen 2. So just for that, if you can get a Fold like on sale or a good trade-in value for your Fold 4, I would say if you're a heavy user, it's definitely worth it. I know a lot of people say don't do it, don't waste your money, but if you're a heavy user, upgrading every year is not that bad, especially if you wait for deals and good trade-in offers on your previous phone. Because that's what actually got me into the Fold in general, was Best Buy had the Fold 3 $1,000 off after Christmas one year, and I was like, I might as well. It's like $900. So I picked one up, and then every year since I've just traded it up, so I only spend about $800 to $900 on a Fold rather than $1,800. So a lot of savings there in doing trade-ins and stuff like that for upgrades. But I love the phone. Everything is pretty much the same on the inside. Nothing too much is different, here. We've got the new S Pen case and the new S Pen and stuff like that, which I actually returned the S Pen case, and I'm going to get just the S Pen by itself and use cases I already have, because that's $100 for that kind of just plain case. It's not really protective, just to hold the S Pen on the back. I don't think that's worth $100. So I'm going to spend like $50 on the S Pen and then use the cases that I already have to hold it, because I do have some from Poetic, which I don't know if you've seen the video on that yet. I think it's going to be uploaded before this one. I am recording ahead of time, so it may be before this, maybe after this, but there will be a Poetic Spartan case review on my channel that does have the S Pen holder on it. So other than that, it's been a very positive 2-week experience. I love the phone. If I had to do anything different, it would be I would have been patient and I would have gotten it from the Samsung website and gotten either the icy blue or the gray with the matte hinge, because I think that looks very nice. But I am looking at possibly doing a skin from Armor Suit, which does have a full body wrap on it. I just don't know if I want to put that on or not, because they're kind of a pain to put on. In my experience, I haven't had one from Armor Suit, but just in my experience, skins and stuff like that aren't the easiest thing to put on this phone that has moving parts and all that kind of stuff. But very positive experience. I really love this phone. It's been my main device. I've got my S23 Ultra right here as well, but it is just waiting on beta 2 for One UI 6 before I play with that too much. But this is my main phone right now, the everyday carry phone that I'm using, and I'm loving it. So I'm going to leave some links down in the description to Amazon where you can pick this phone up. Like I said, Amazon did have an offer running for about a week past release where you got the You can either do an Amazon gift card or you can do $100 off the phone. They're not doing it right now as of the time of recording this video, but definitely keep checking that link because Amazon does run offers like that here and there. So if you're looking to pick up a fold and save a little bit of cash, definitely check that link out down below. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.